So, demo day today at Lemons. That's Glyn over there in his X9 1100. He's just finished up. And then just up there in the distance, I think it's Rob Purton driving. And that is the New Holland CR11. I think it's got a 45-foot header on as well, but that's here on demo for the day, and they got them running side by side just for comparison. It's a bit quieter now. You might be able to hear me talk. Well, scrub that idea what I said earlier, because Glyn was in the John Deere giving Rob a few pointers. So he's come in today to drive Glyn's X9 while Glyn tries the CR11 demo out. Rob used to work, he did when they used to run two combines. I think Rob did one or two harvests here, driving one of the other combines. So that's why they called him in today, just so they can keep two combines running. Well, not quite what I had planned today. I thought I was kind of filming. Now I've ended up on the bloody corn cart. So that'd be quite good for the afternoon. So this is my office for this afternoon, maybe this evening. I don't know how long it'll take, but who knows. Nice day for it anyway.